Introducing the 2012 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV combines world-recognized style and capability with pickup truck practicality and plenty of off-road grunt. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, skid plates, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as integrated rollover protection, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.